This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to cancel your Wave accounting subscription. If for any reason you've decided it's time to say goodbye to Wave services, rest assured that the process is straightforward. Whether you're exploring other options or simply no longer need the service, I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth cancellation. To begin, you'll want to log into your Wave accounting account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here you'll see your business name displayed. This is your gateway to accessing various settings, including those we'll need to cancel your subscription. Go ahead and click on your business name. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Business Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. It's an essential hub for making adjustments to how your business interacts with Wave. Once you're on the Business Settings page, focus on the sidebar menu that runs along the left side of your screen. In this sidebar menu, you'll see a section labeled Other. As you scroll down, you'll find the option to manage subscriptions within this block. Click on Manage Subscriptions, and you'll be directed to a page that displays all your current subscription details. This is where you can review your plan and make any necessary changes. On the subscription management page, locate the layout block that outlines your current active plan. It's typically easy to spot as it contains all the pertinent details of your ongoing subscription. Once you've found it, click on the Manage Subscription option. This action will prompt a new window to appear, providing you with several options regarding your subscription. In this pop-up options window, you'll see a list of the plans associated with your account. Carefully select the specific plan you wish to terminate. This is an important step, so make sure you're choosing the correct plan to avoid any unintended cancellations. Once you've identified the plan you want to cancel, look for the Cancel Subscription button. Clicking this will initiate the cancellation process. You may be asked to confirm your decision, so take a moment to ensure that you're ready to proceed. Confirming the cancellation will effectively terminate your subscription with Wave, freeing you from any future billing. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to cancel your Wave accounting subscription. Remember, if you ever decide to return to Wave, you can always reactivate or start a new subscription. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Wave's support team for additional guidance.